Meet Q, an incredibly clever robot with an attitude all its own.
Let's pick your avatar.
Choose from 4 totally unique personalities and watch your robot come to life.
On patrol.
All right, Zess, game on.
You got it.
Just keep it rolling.
All right, let's see you guys dance.
Because Q isn't just any robot,
Oh yeah.
Fist bump.
Totally.
it's your robot and your rules. The more you play, the more you discover what Q can do. Explore games and interactive challenges. Code new experiences at the skill level that's right for you.
Yoo!
Play together,
Booyah!
explore together,
Oh, nice.
and text together.
Engaging? Eat my dust mode.
Chat, code, and share your world with a robot all your own. Q from Wonder Workshop. Your robot, your rules.